Finding one business class award seat to Asia is hard. Finding 3 or 4 for your whole family? That can feel impossible. Most people use Air Canada Aeroplan to book EVA Air because it's easy. But here's the problem. EVA usually releases 1 or 2 seats to partners. And if you want to book your entire family in business class, you need to go straight to the source. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the complicated but rewarding process of booking via EVA's own program. You'll need to fill out forms, and there is a massive trap you need to avoid or you'll waste your points. I'll walk you through it so you don't make the same mistake I did.
And now, let's get to the points.
To book more than 2 business class seats, we need EVA miles. You can get these from 2 major banks. Citi transfers to EVA at a 1-to-1 ratio, which means for every 1,000 miles you transfer from Citi, you'll get 1,000 EVA miles. Capital One transfers to EVA at a 1-to-0.75 ratio. This means for every 1,000 Capital One miles, you'll get 750 EVA miles. Citi is definitely the better option here. But before we book, let's make sure you pick the right flight. EVA flies 2 main long-haul aircraft to the US. The 777, which features the older product and the famous Hello Kitty flight to Chicago, and the 787, which is newer, sleeker, and if you have a choice, the one I recommend. I've flown both. If comfort is your priority, pick the 787. If you're curious about that Hello Kitty plane, stick around to the end. I have a very honest review coming up. So how do we book this flight for your family? Get your patience ready because this is an old school setup, and it could take between 3 to 5 days for the whole process to complete. I recommend starting now just to get it all set up and ready to go. Let's go through this step by step. Step 1. Set up Infinity Mileage Lands account. You'll need to set up an Infinity Mileage Lands account for everyone in your family, including children. This is free to set up. Make a note of everyone's EVA account numbers and passwords because you'll need everyone's number and password every time you search for award availability. Step 2. Transfer 1,000 miles. You'll need to transfer a small amount of miles to your account from Citi or Capital One. Miles in your account is required to start this process. Transfers from Citi can take 1 to 3 days, although it's usually instant for me. Transfers from Capital One are typically instant. Step 3. The online service form. You can get this form from EVA's website. You'll complete this form and email it to these 2 email addresses shown on the screen. I found both of these email addresses online and I sent it to both just to cover all my bases. You'll receive an email from EVA once the form has been processed, which took about 1 business day for me. Step 4. Add nominees. Go to Infinity Mileage Lands, Manage My Account, Nominee List Management, and add everyone in your family as a nominee. You can add up to 6 nominees per year. You'll receive an email when this is processed, and this took another business day for me. Step 5. Finding award availability. Go to Mileage Award Program, Mileage Redemption, click on the award tickets section, and click the login button. This is where you'll add in your itinerary you want to search for. You'll need to enter the membership number and password for each of your traveling companions. Click Confirm, and you'll see the different options available. When a result says available, that means you can book an award ticket for you and your traveling companions. If it says waiting, that means an award ticket is not available. Available is what you are looking for. And here you'll be able to see how many miles are required for this particular route. From the US to Taipei, you can expect to pay between 75,000 and 80,000 EVA miles per person for a business class flight. Step 6. Transfer points. This is the most important step of the entire process. Everyone needs the correct number of miles in their account in order to book. The free bonus miles you get from setting up a new account does not count for these award redemptions. So if a redemption requires 75,000 miles, each person will need 75,000 miles in their account. It's important to be careful of how you're transferring your points. EVA separates miles into different buckets. And if your miles are split across different buckets, even if your total amount is enough, you will not be able to book this award ticket. This is the mistake I made. There's a self-mileage bucket, which is miles transferred from your own Capital One or Citi account. And then there's the transferred mileage bucket, which is miles transferred from another EVA member. The important thing to note is you cannot combine points from both buckets for an award ticket. You'll need all the required miles in one bucket for each person. For example, if I want to fly from San Francisco to Taipei and it's 75,000 miles, if I transfer 30,000 miles from my Capital One account and then I transfer 45,000 from my husband's EVA account to my EVA account to make up the difference, I will not be able to book that award ticket. I will need to have the full 75,000 in one bucket. This is the trap I fell into. To avoid this problem, I recommend consolidating all your points on either the Capital One side or the Citi side before transferring to EVA. Keep in mind there are limitations with the amount you can transfer between members at Citi. Once you have the necessary points in your account, you can then transfer points to your traveling companion accounts. In Mileage Award Program, go to Transfer Miles and choose how many miles and which nominee you want to transfer to. And this transfer is instant. Step 7. Set up online service form for nominee accounts. This step is not required, but it's good to have. This is the same form from step 3. This process allows transfers from a traveling companion account back to your account. It's a good idea to set this up now, just in case you need it down the road. Step 8. Book award ticket. Now that everyone has the required number of miles in their account and you're ready to book your award ticket, you can search again for award availability as shown in step 5, and then continue with the booking process. Another tip with EVA's program is you can book a free stopover if you book a round-trip award ticket. To book this, you'll need to call and speak to an EVA agent over the phone. So there you have it, your complete guide to booking EVA Business Class for you and your family. I know there are a lot of steps involved here, but if it were easy, everyone would be doing it and we wouldn't have the plentiful award availability we see in this program. I personally hope they keep it this way so you and I can keep booking trips to Asia in lie-flat seats. Now that you know how to book, let's talk about that Hello Kitty flight, which flies on select days between Taipei and Chicago. With our Hello Kitty boarding passes and gear ready, we were very excited to experience this flight.
It's so pretty. I love it. I'm so excited.
Back in the good old days, my co-host Mitch flew on the Hello Kitty jet and he was showered with lots of Hello Kitty. Sadly, since then, the theming has scaled way back. Hello Kitty was not represented very much in business class at all. There was a poster on the wall, we had the slippers, the flight attendants wore special Hello Kitty aprons, and my daughter got playing cards and a Hello Kitty themed meal with candy and special utensils. My daughter is 9 and it's a good thing I ordered her the child's meal. Otherwise, this experience would have been underwhelming for her. Aside from the lack of theming, the service was wonderful, the food was good, and I really love the comforters they provide. Would I recommend flying EVA Business Class even on this older 777 configuration? Yes, it's a comfortable way to fly to and from Asia. Would I go out of my way and seek out the Hello Kitty jet? Knowing what I know now, no. I would much prefer booking the non-stop flight from my home base of San Francisco. I'm curious to know what you think. Have you booked with EVA Miles? How was your experience? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you're interested in more step-by-step strategies like this, please like and subscribe. To learn about how you can earn more points, check out our video on the Citi Thank You program. In that video, I also talked about the amazing food at the EVA Infinity Lounge in Taipei. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next flight.